Unlock the power of AI-driven conversation by building your own intelligent chatbot with Chatbase.AI. Let's dive in. First, head over to Chatbase.AI and click on the Create New Chatbot button. Now, it's time to feed your chatbot information. Chatbase.AI makes this incredibly simple. You can upload your data in various formats while you think PDFs, text files, or even website links. Just drag and drop your files or paste your URLs into the upload area. Chatbase.AI will automatically process and learn from this content. Once your data is uploaded, you can personalize your chatbot, give it a name, craft a welcoming message, and even define its personality or tone. This ensures your chatbot interacts in a way that aligns perfectly with your brand or purpose. Want to bring your chatbot to life on your website? It's surprisingly easy. Chatbase.AI provides an integration option. You can embed your chatbot as a widget, making it instantly accessible to your website visitors for seamless interaction. But the magic doesn't stop at creation. Chatbase.AI offers a powerful analytics dashboard here. You can monitor user interactions, see which questions are most popular, and understand how your chatbot is performing. This data is invaluable for refining your chatbot's responses and improving the user experience. Whether it's for enhancing customer support, sharing knowledge, or streamlining information access, Chatbase.AI empowers you to build intelligent chatbots that truly engage. Give Chatbase.AI a try and transform your digital interactions today.